During a 3-hour stopover in Zurich, the Love Parade happened to be taking place at the same time.
Welcome to the Azores. This is my first day. I'm just walking around, exploring the area.
Sao Miguel Island, nicknamed the Green Island, Ilha Verde, is the largest and most populous island in the Portuguese archipelago of the Azores. Today is the day to explore our surroundings, a short walk through the streets of Capelas, where we found nearly no tourism, just the locals. There aren't any tourist restaurants at all. A mountain bike tour up to the peak behind our hotel is next. Owing to the predominance of volcanic cones and craters in the interior, human settlement has developed primarily along coastal and interior plains.
What a short break. The view is just incredible.
It has a mild maritime climate, which is drier in the summer and wetter in the winter. Right now, in the middle of August, the average high is 25.7 degrees Celsius. It's very pleasant. Due to the humid subtropical climate, it rains nearly every day, but it's more of a spray from all directions than common rain.
It's not raining, the spray is very heavy.
In one of the next episodes, we'll come back to this mountain with a clear view. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.